Hey there peeps, mewmew here, and today we're going to be unboxing the Fall 2018 PusheenBox. So here we have the Fall 2018 PusheenBox. Look how cute it is. Pusheen is so sleepy, and on top we have little clouds and she's sleeping. And of course we have her little paws at the bottom of the box. I just love this box so much, and as y'all know, I love to open this box and explore the box with you first, and then we can talk about the items. So here we have the backing of the PusheenBox, which you know we have Pusheen, and we have a lot of items. I have not looked at these items yet, so we are gonna dig in and see what we got. So, and also of course first impressions. So here's the card. Not gonna look at it. Oh, but look, Pusheen is so cute. Pusheen is sleeping, and we're setting that card aside because we don't want any spoilers. So first thing we get out of this box is, and I'm moving side of, Lazy Pusheen, PusheenBox exclusive, and oh my gosh, the Pusheen is so cute. We need to take her out. I love these Pusheens so very much. I actually have all of these Pusheen vinyl figures that I've gotten throughout me having this PusheenBox. Actually, this might be almost a year anniversary of me having, or maybe that was in July, the other box. And I think I need to contact them because for some reason this Pusheen seems to have been oiled up. So I don't know why she's been oiled up. I mean, she doesn't smell like anything in particular, but she looks very cute, very adorable. She is very shiny, and you can kind of see where that shininess ends in this one specific area. It's very sus to me. I will contact them and let them know. They have been really good about that one item that I got a little scratched a while back, but she is adorable. I'm gonna send her here, and hopefully they can send me a replacement because I don't know why she is so oily, and I don't really know where this oil came from. So I'm very sus about this. Anyways, moving forward for now, we have the Pusheen stress ball. And she is so cute. I'm gonna open her up because who doesn't need a Pusheen stress ball? Okay, so is there like an easy way for me to open this? Apparently not. We have scissors though. Here is the Pusheen. She is so squishy. Yeah, she kind of retracts when you squish her, and she slowly gets back to her normal shape. I like this. I always need a stress ball, and meow meow meow. I'm sorry, Pusheen. I feel guilty like smushing her, but it's so relaxing. She's so squishy. Okay, so we're gonna set her there. And next we have, oh my gosh, this is so cute. It looks like a little Pusheen hand towel. Is there a little thingy? PusheenBox exclusive. I love that there's so many exclusive items in this box, and it does not say in particular what it is because we're not looking at the thing, but it is a very cute, a light pink little towel, and it has Pusheen on it. If y'all remember, a few months ago, actually maybe it was last year, we got the Pusheen, what's it called? Shower curtain. I have that in the restroom, and I think this one is gonna go in that restroom to kind of have a Pusheen bathroom. Okay, so that was adorable, and it feels so good. Okay. Oh my gosh, we have the plush, and this plush is adorable. She is wearing a cute little soft robe. It's so cute, and as always, y'all know, we love Pusheen on this channel because Pusheen is made by Gund, and Gund makes Danbear burrs. And you know this because if you look at her tag, it is the Gund tag, and I don't know how well it comes out on camera, but you see Danbear on it. It is holographic, and that's how you know it's original Gund. And that's adorable. I love her. She's so cute. I also have these on my shelf behind me in my office, so yay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so first we have Pusheen in her little shower thingy. What is it called? I just called it robe. In her little robe, like the plushie. And we have this pink little foof. I know that's not the name. Poof, something. And look, it actually matches my nail color right now. Whoosh. And Pusheen got on the same page. And next we have more. Oh my gosh, it's so dispenser. Oh my god. Fill it with your favorite soap or lotion. Oh my gosh, Pusheen is totally taking over this one bathroom here. Oh my gosh. So taking this out, moving this box over here, and taking her out of it. And oh my gosh, look at her little soap dispenser. It's open and closed. And it's so, oh my gosh, adorable. This is so going in that restroom. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, when anyone ever visits me, they're gonna be so confused. And, well, not confused, my mom likes it. She says that she likes my bathroom. She says it's cute. And this next item is mega soft. And it is so cute. There's balloons, there's Pusheen in the balloon cloud. And if that doesn't remind you of anything, you should check out my Streamlabs merch page, because there is a cute little tank with similar hashtag shameless self promo. And I'm gonna open this last because it looks like we only have one more item. And this last item here is the toothbrush and holder. And it is a cute little Pusheen. We're gonna take it out. This is adorable. And so it's little Pusheen, and you open it and you have your toothbrush. After you use this for a few months, you can, just put a different toothbrush here. And I think that's why they didn't brand the toothbrush, because they know you're gonna throw it away after a few months of use. And this is adorable. You can stick it on the on your wall, on the glass, and near your restroom. Well, at your restroom, not near your restroom. And just for use. It's quite adorable. I like that it's basically her tail, although her tail isn't this color. So I really like this. It's really cute. I'm not sure how I would use it because I have one of those little cups for the toothbrush, so I don't know. And last but not least, we have this fluffy item because it feels so soft. It feels so soft. So let's unwrap it because it does have this cute little bow on it. A little bow, which I messed up, but I have a feeling that it's what it is, and I'm trying not to get my hopes up. Okay, so we have a strand, and yes, I had been wanting a robe. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It has the cutest pattern of, Pusheen, and, has her little, she says hi, and she is, just chilling on a cloud, and she is somewhere with her balloons, and this is so adorable. Oh my gosh. I'm living for this, like so much living for this, and it's the softest thing ever. Like I think it was like last month I was saying that I wanted a robe, and look, here she is with her balloons. Oh my gosh, this is so soft. Like, it is like kigurumi soft. Oh my gosh, I am living with this so much. So that has been all the items in the Pusheen box. Let's recap and go through all the items so you can see what exactly came in this box, and we'll end up with my impressions of this box. The first thing we have here is the Lazy Pusheen vinyl figure. It's very cute, very lazy, and also I do need to contact them about this oiling mess. But it's so adorable. The next item we have is this Pusheen Stress Ball Kitty. Squeeze this Pusheen Stress Ball when you're in need of some tension relief. This is the Pusheen Exfoliator. So exfoliate and revitalize in the shower with this cute loofah. This is the Pusheen toothbrush. This toothbrush cover will keep your toothbrush clean and great for travel. Soap dispenser. Empty your kitchen or bathroom with this Pusheen soap dispenser. This is such a soft, fluffy towel. Dry your hands with this soft Pusheen hand towel. This is a cute, exclusive plush that is perfect snuggle buddy. And of course, because it is Gund, I do have to show you the tag where you can see the adorable Danbear. And of course, remember, use code mewmew10 to get 10% off at Gund.com. Last but not least, we have the robe. Relax in comfort when you wear this Pusheen robe. So that has been us going through all the items in the Pusheen Fall 2018 box. I just love this box so much. It is my favorite subscription box, and it's one of the only ones that I'm keeping at the moment because I like that everything is one character specific, and all of the items that they throw into this box are very usable. I mean, my bathroom is Pusheen-ified, like crazy. It is cute. I didn't have to buy anything for that restroom because everything came in the Pusheen box. And you know, the stress ball, the figures, like the figures and the plushies, I do collect them and have them on my shelf that is in my office, which you see on stream. And you know, this robe is so appropriately timed. I love it. It feels so nice. Like, oh my gosh, like this robe alone was worth this box. Like, I kid you not. And you know, I should just upgrade to the yearly subscription because me going quarterly just makes no sense because I'm just continuing with this box. Partly it's not wanting to pay for the full price, you know, for the entire year. So this is my favorite box. I continue loving the Pusheen box, and you know, low-key, because Pusheen is made by Gund, at least plushie form, it is something that I just completely support because y'all know I love Danbear. He is a Snuffles bird by Gund, and you know, definitely check out Pusheen, but also check out Snuffles. If you want Danbear in your life, that's where you'll find him. So thank you all so very much for watching. Let me know in the comments below, what did you think of the Fall 2018 Pusheen box? Is this a box you're getting? Is it a box you're considering getting? And which way are you leaning? Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, meow to meow.